Have you ever walked into a restaurant in an English-speaking country and felt your mind go completely blank? You knew the words, you studied them, but in that moment, when the waiter came to your table and said, "Are you ready to order?" everything disappeared. Today, that changes. Watch this real conversation between two people having dinner together. Listen carefully, and by the end of this video, you will have all the words and phrases you need to walk into any restaurant and speak with confidence. Let us get started. Welcome back. Today, we have a full, natural English conversation set in a restaurant. You are going to hear a man named Daniel and a woman named Sarah. They are old friends having dinner together at a nice restaurant in the city. You will hear them greet each other, look at the menu, talk to the waiter, order food and drinks, have small talk, and pay the bill at the end. The language is natural, clear, and real. These are exactly the kinds of sentences you can use in your own life. So listen carefully, repeat the phrases you like, and take notes if you want to. Ready? Here we go.
Daniel, hey, sorry, am I late?
Sarah? No, not at all. I just got here a few minutes ago. Come in, sit down.
Oh, good. I was a little worried. The traffic was terrible tonight.
I know, same for me. I took a taxi and it still took almost 30 minutes.
30 minutes. That is crazy. Anyway, wow, this place looks really nice.
Right? I passed by it last week and thought we should try it. I am glad you could make it.
Me too. It has been way too long. How long has it been? Like 3 months.
At least 3 months, maybe more. We are terrible.
We really are. We need to do this more often.
Agreed. Okay, let us sit down. They already brought some water.
Oh, great. I am so thirsty. Long day.
Tell me about it. Here, let me pour you some.
Thank you. So, how are you? How is everything?
Honestly, pretty good. Busy, but good. I will tell you everything, but first, let us order. I am starving.
Yes, same. I did not even have lunch today.
Sarah, that is not good for you.
I know. Okay, let me look at the menu.
So they have a lot of things. Pasta, grilled fish, steaks, salads. What are you feeling?
Let me see. Oh, they have a mushroom risotto. I love risotto.
Is that what you want?
Maybe. What about you?
I am thinking about the grilled chicken or the pasta. I cannot decide.
What pasta is it?
It says here, penne with tomato and basil sauce. Sounds simple, but good.
That does sound nice. Actually, Oh, wait. What is this? It says Chef's Special. Do you know what that is?
Usually it means the cook made something special just for today, not on the regular menu.
Oh, interesting. I wonder what it is tonight.
We can ask the waiter.
Good idea. Also, what do you want to drink? Do you want wine?
Yes, definitely. Red or white?
I am having the risotto, so maybe white.
White works for me too. Or we could get a bottle.
A bottle sounds good. Let us do that. Something not too expensive.
There is a house white here. It is usually a safe choice.
Perfect. And maybe some sparkling water too.
Sure, okay. I think I am ready. Let us call the waiter.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella Vista. My name is Tom, and I will be taking care of you tonight. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think we are ready, thank you. But first, can I ask, what is the chef's special tonight?
Of course. Tonight, the chef's special is grilled sea bass with lemon butter sauce, served with roasted vegetables and garlic bread.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
It really does.
Actually, I might change my mind. Sorry.
Take your time.
Okay, I think yes. I will have the chef's special, please. The sea bass.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
I will have the pasta, please. The penne with tomato and basil.
Of course. And would you like any starters? We have a lovely soup of the day, which is a roasted tomato soup, and we also have garlic mushrooms.
Ew, Daniel. Do you want to share the garlic mushrooms?
Definitely, yes. We will have the garlic mushrooms, please.
Perfect. And to drink?
We would like a bottle of the house white wine, please, and also a bottle of sparkling water.
Of course, still or sparkling water.
Sparkling, please.
Great. So that is 1 garlic mushrooms to share, 1 sea bass, 1 penne pasta, a bottle of house white, and sparkling water. Is that correct?
Yes, that is perfect.
Wonderful. I will be right back with your drinks.
He seems nice.
Yeah, very friendly, and that sea bass sounded incredible.
I know. I am so glad I changed my mind.
Okay, so tell me everything. How is the new job going?
Oh my goodness. Where do I even start? It is a lot. But I think I am starting to find my feet now.
How long have you been there now?
Almost 2 months. The first few weeks were really overwhelming. New people, new systems, new everything.
That is completely normal. It always takes time to settle in.
I know. And everyone there is really kind. My manager is great, very patient with me.
That makes a huge difference.
It really does. And the work itself is interesting. More interesting than my last job, actually.
That is good to hear. I remember you were not very happy there by the end.
No, I really was not. So this feels like a fresh start. Anyway, what about you? How is the apartment?
Oh, it is great. I finally finished decorating the living room.
Finally, it has only been, what, 6 months?
8 months, actually. I kept changing my mind about the color.
What did you go with in the end?
A kind of dark gray, very calm, very relaxing.
That sounds nice. You will have to show me photos.
I will. You should come over for dinner sometime soon.
I would love that. Maybe next weekend?
Let us plan it. Oh, here comes our starter.
Thank you so much. Oh, this smells incredible.
It really does. Here, let me put some on your plate.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Daniel, these are so good.
Right? The garlic butter is just perfect.
I think I could eat a whole bowl of these.
Same. Okay, so I also wanted to tell you something. You know, I have been thinking about traveling this year.
Yes, you mentioned Japan, right?
Japan, yes. So I have actually started booking it.
No way. That is so exciting. When are you going?
September, 2 weeks. I am going to Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka.
Daniel, that is a dream trip. I am so jealous.
You should come. There is still time to book.
Oh, I wish. I just started a new job. I cannot take 2 weeks off right now.
Fair point. Next year?
Next year? Yes, absolutely. I have always wanted to go to Japan.
Then we plan it for next year. Deal.
Deal. Okay, tell me more. Where are you staying?
I found this small hotel in Tokyo, very traditional, and in Kyoto, a ryokan.
A ryokan? Is that the one where you sleep on the floor?
Yes, on a futon, and they bring you traditional Japanese food in the morning.
That sounds absolutely wonderful. I love that kind of travel. Very local, very authentic.
Exactly, that is what I love too. Oh, look, here comes our main course.